Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Thursday, February 9th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You had a USDA crop report here today. You really didn't get many details out of it. That was expected. So February is not a big report. One thing that people were expecting and you didn't see was actually USDA chose not to really adjust Brazil's numbers. Now, Brazil had their form of USDA come out here this morning and update their numbers. They increased both their corn and soybean production out of Brazil quite a bit. And so you saw that reaction here. You didn't get it out of the US, so there needs to be a relationship change in there, but overall no adjustments made in soybeans here for US numbers, and that became a little bit on the bullish side here. Corn saw a little bit of a decrease. The most surprising thing out of the report was a 5 million metric ton decrease here in world carryout for wheat. Now that's not really a big deal, but it was surprising. So you saw wheat be supported, being up anywhere from 7 to 10 cents, and that kind of pulled on corn while soybeans pulled to the downside. So soybeans down anywhere from 7 to 9, and corn really got stuck in between wheat and beans. Beans wanting to pull it down, but staying competitive here with wheat. And so the corn market closed anywhere from a penny to 2 lower. Export sales were really nothing to write home about. They were decent in corn, bottom end of the range here in soybeans. Pretty good here in wheat market. Wheat market saw a decrease on the US side of things on their exports, as exports have been above pace. USDA did announce once again, they stated that they do know that you have soybeans being above average for their pace as export sales, but they expect that to drastically change, and they said once South America gets their record production. So they didn't change that, but they still are expecting to see even more come out of South America. And so that's one thing to note, is that you are starting to pay attention to that. Argentina looks to have some weather here starting to even itself out. It's been crazy all over the place, but it does look like things are calming down just a little bit. They're early in their growing season yet, so there's a lot of time as far as it goes for Argentina. Over into the meat markets, lower majority of the day, but you did see cattle rebound midday, came up being about 50 cents higher in live cattle, over $1 higher in feeders. Lean hogs though lower on the day. Outside markets, you had some really great strength there. You had the Dow up over 130 points majority of the day. That's getting some new record highs as job numbers came in very friendly. US dollar slightly higher, crude about 75 cents higher. Calculating insurance pricing, you haven't had any changes here. Corn still at $3.95, penny higher now into the bean number, $10.19, and wheat number is $5.62 for average price for insurance. So those are some good numbers there, especially into soybeans. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is all eyes are going to be on Argentina here and seeing what Managed Money decided to do from last Wednesday or last Tuesday to Tuesday. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.